Hey guys, Rick for Sonance here, back in our video. So in this video, we're gonna make 3 levels of Slap House, so you can learn what every level does right and wrong. So let's start off with a noob level. First, gonna focus on the drums. So we'll be using this kick sample, this clap, the hat. Besides that, we'll be using this vocal. Altogether, the drums sounds like this. So now let's work on the beginner bass. We'll be using this preset. The beginner often uses only one bass sound. Now let's work on the melody. The beginner uses a really repetitive rhythm, so this will be the main riff. And then just copy it over. Altogether, the beginner drop sounds just like this. So the advanced producer has a little bit more complicated drums as well. He uses closed heads, snares to get more grooves, so we're gonna add in this closed head. Place it right before the open head and get it slightly off the grid. Draw it in, altogether sounding like this. Now we're gonna work on the bass of the advanced producer. He adds a bit more variation to his melodies, so let's switch up the last bar. The advanced producer mixes his sounds better as well, so let's focus on the mixing. Besides that, the advanced producer layers his bass sounds as well. Instead of just using one bass, he layers it with a sub bass, a mid bass, and a high bass. So right now we're gonna focus on the sub bass. So we'll be using this 808 sample. Just copy over the bass melody. That's it for the sub bass, so now we're gonna work on the high bass. So let's pick a preset from the Lit Sounds 3-pack. Let's go with this one. Sounding like this. The advanced producer tends to add a brass sound to fill it up as well some more. Sounding like this. So altogether the advanced drop sounds like this. So now we're gonna work on the pro level. The pro producer adds a lot more variations to his bass sounds, so we're gonna work on the variations. We'll be using this bass for the first variation. And this one for the second. So altogether with the other basses, the pro bass line sounds like this. Another thing the pro does is filling it up a lot more with effects. So I dropped in these effects to fill it up some more. And to finish it off, I added this fill from the Lit Sounds pack. So the final thing the pro producer does is add variation to the second part of the drop. So in this case, we'll be adding in a lead sound. So we'll be using this preset for the lead. So now let's build a melody. It will be just a simple one to fill it up some more. This will be the first riff, then follow the chord progression. And just a little variation at the end. Altogether sounding like this. And that's it for the pro level, so that's it for the video as well. If you like the video, please leave a like. If you want to see more of these type of videos, let me know in the comments. And I'll see y'all in the next videos.
I'm on my knees while I'm begging, 'cause I don't wanna lose. I got my arms so spread and I hope that my heart gets fed. Matter of fact, girl, I'm begging.